Roll sound, roll camera, and action. Welcome to the Starr Justice Show. Hi guys, welcome back to the Starr Justice Show. Today it's Thanksgiving. So we're doing a Thanksgiving RP story in Brookhaven. That's why it's called Brookhaven RP, because Brookhaven Roleplay, and we're doing a roleplay of Thanksgiving. So this time we're not doing random people, we're doing us. So, and if you noticed, our hat, it's backwards for you guys, but it says Gamer Girl, and we both have the same hat. But let's get started. Oh, time to get up. Someone's at the door. I'm coming. Hold on just a sec. It's like the morning. I put an alarm to wake up this early, but still, we have to get out of bed and get ready, but okay. It's Thanksgiving. Hello. Hey, they're running away. Ding dong ditch. How dare you? Stop ding dong ditching. See, they're running to that house. There, I see them from the window. Oh my god. See, look from the window. Okay. I'll move so then you can see. Yeah, I see them. Oh, they're coming back. Ban them. What do you want, girl? Come. No, what do you do? Why are you doing? Ban her now. Okay, but you did have to open the door. Okay, well, anyways, let's get changed. There we go. No dressed. Actually, I want to change my hair. Okay. I set the time. I'm just going to tie it right in the over here. Okay. Now, while that's turkey's cooking. I wonder what Liberty's doing. I hope she's cooking. Oh, hi, Summer. Oh, hey. I was going to wear those pants, but except I was going to wear the purple one. I'm just going to change inside this bedroom. Okay. I'm going to go in the balcony. There we go. Should I change in the balcony? What balcony? I almost fell off this balcony. Like I was standing on Why would you want to do your thing in the balcony? I just am. I'm going to change in the balcony. Well, you shouldn't. We're even at the balcony. Don't come yet. I'm changing. Okay, I'm done changing. Balconies then, because where are you? I'm over. Where are you? I'm over What? Here. How come I never saw you? I was looking over there. Because I was over here. Oh. And I was facing this way. Okay. The turkey's going to be cooking for 1 hour, by the way. Wait, how? How what? I don't even see the turkey. It's in the oven. Like, where? Over there. I don't see it. The oven's over there. No, I mean I don't see the turkey. Yeah, because it's in there. Well, I'm going to cook something in the microwave, so I'm And I put vegetables with the turkey there. Ah! I see the closet! Upstairs! I see the closet! Where even are you? Where even are you? I was at And why is the door unlocked? Oh, because when I was at the balcony. So, anyways. We need sandwiches. Wait, what do you want? Tacos, burgers, burritos, hot dogs? I'm just going to make sandwiches. Why don't we take some toast and we need cranberry sauce? Yeah, of course we do. But we don't have cranberry sauce.
Yes, we do. We bought some yesterday.
Okay, let me get it then.
Ow! The microwave just hit my forehead. When I opened it, it just hit my forehead.
Okay, I got the cranberry sauce.
I'm gonna put the sandwich.
I got the cranberry sauce. See?
Wait.
Got the cranberry sauce. Okay, so we have cranberry sauce.
Actually,
and I got some bread
we don't
too.
need sandwich.
I got some bread. I got some loaf bread. And should we get steak too or only turkey? We shouldn't get steak because it's Thanksgiving anyways. It's already 9:45 a.m. What? We worked for so long. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, that should have rang faster. Let me open the oven.
What? But 1 hour never passed.
Yes, it passed very quickly because I put it in the oven at like 4 something in the morning and it's 9. Like 2 hours passed. No, now it's 10. Thanksgiving Day, Thanksgiving Day.
Okay, stop playing that.
Thanksgiving Day.
When it's the nighttime, we need to eat. I'm gonna take a rest.
I cooked the turkey, so now what should we do now?
I'm watching TV.
Oh yeah.
What does he want? Who's at the door? Oh, those puppies are so cute.
Let me see.
Puppies. You want to see the puppies?
Yeah.
There.
Ooh, cool.
Puppies are cute.
Hi, what you want? Hi, what you want? Can I be your...
Stop turning off the lights. Hey, the door's not locked!
It is.
No, it's not. Hey, yeah.
Yes.
I'm doing a backflip, okay?
But don't rob us.
Wait, what? What happened?
But don't rob
What
us.
happened? Well, I'm eating this steak. I'm eating some steak.
Wait, she might rob us. Did she go upstairs?
Nope, nobody went upstairs. Let me check. Okay, he's mopping. He's mopping the ground. Okay, good.
Okay, nobody's.
Oh my gosh!
Why
he
do we
looks like
have?
a gorilla.
Why did so many people like come to our house and ding dong? Then we just let them in. Like, what in the world?
Well, at least we have 3 maids.
Yeah, and at least we can eat Thanksgiving dinner. Let's eat.
Yeah, without cleaning. Do you want?
This is good. That was delicious. Hey, who put a bomb there? Who put a bomb?
Don't you dare, or else you're banded.
Who put the bomb there? Who put the bomb there?
What are you doing? Is he crazy or is he cray-cray? He's weird.
Why is he cleaning your food? He's mopping your Thanksgiving food.
Well, I ate a lot.
Someone said not me. Okay, good. Ooga booga. Stop saying ooga booga, okay?
Stop saying that.
Why do you guys look the same? All of you guys are maids. He looks so weird. Where's the little girl? Too bad. If she's not here, that's fine. Because I better look in every single room to make sure that she's not here. Because if she left, then too bad for her. She left.
Ooga booga. Stop saying ooga booga. I forgot to put a space with ooga booga. No.
Wait, they're upstairs?
No, they're downstairs.
I'm going to tell them to clean upstairs.
Ooga booga 2 and ooga booga 1. Where's ooga
Clean
booga
upstairs too.
1? Where's ooga booga 1? We have 2 ooga boogas.
Clean upstairs too, guys. Hey, not up the safe, not the safe, not the safe. You can clean here.
He already cleaned here though.
It's fine. Nobody else was cleaning up here, so I'm gonna roommate them, okay?
Okay. But they better not leave. because they're our mates.
I'm giving all of you guys roommate permission.
Where is he? Oh. Ooga booga.
I'm giving all of you guys roommate permission.
Oh, this is a girl? This is a girl.
I'm giving all of you
Ooga
guys roommate
booga is
permission.
a girl.
Okay, well, I'm giving her roommate. Okay, she's my roommate. Watch out. She better. Oh, that's the. Never mind. I thought this guy better get roommate permission. Where's the last guy?
I don't know. He probably left the game.
Is he downstairs?
No, I looked. He might not be downstairs. You stay upstairs.
What
Wait.
if he's in the garage though?
Oh my gosh, I think Ooga Booga's there. What the? Why are they spinning their mops? Don't you dare hit me though. I'm gonna play guitar. I mean, whatever this thing is.
You guys are our roommates. Well, guys, we're going to just be playing music with our mates. And if you want to see the rest of the Thanksgiving story, I mean, if you want to see a New Year's story or Christmas story, then stay tuned for that because we'll be posting those very soon. Bye.
Bye.
I love Thanksgiving.
Woo! What did he just say? He said, wait, what did he say? Kills with something something. Well, guys, bye.
Did you like our video? If you did, click the thumbs up button, the bell button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.